In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add app lock in iPhone 7 Plus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. While in new iPhone models, you have an app lock based on Face ID that is built into the latest iOS versions, that feature is not available in older models, including the iPhone 7 Plus. So in order to use app lock, you will need to do some sort of a workaround. This workaround can be found by going over into the settings, and inside of the settings, choose the screen time category. So go into this option here. Basically, you will be setting an extremely low screen time for a specific application, and then when that screen time is hit, it will require a password to unlock. So essentially, you lock the application if the person doesn't know the passcode, because they won't be able to use the app for more than that extremely small time window. So first, make sure that you set up the password. Just tap on this option and you will be able to set up a PIN or a passcode that needs to be used to unlock the applications that you select. Once this is done, you can go over to app limits and now add specific limits to applications. When you tap on add limit after it has been enabled, you can choose from any of these categories. You can do this even for every single application on your phone. If you open a category, let's say social, you can find your social media apps, for example. So you can choose Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, and so on. Once you select an application, tap next, and now set up an extremely small amount. It seems like the bare minimum that you can go to is 1 minute. So after 1 minute of that app being open, the passcode will be required. If you want to be sure that this will work, you can open the app yourself on a specific day, and then it is going to be password protected for the rest of that day. So in this example, after you open Twitter and you browse it for 1 minute, it will require the passcode that you set up. You can change the passcode at any point, and anyone who tries to use the app will require that passcode. So you essentially lock the application. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.